In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust timeframes for spark charts in Ctrader. If you've ever looked at those tiny price previews next to a symbol and wondered how to make them reflect the period you actually care about, this walkthrough will make it clear and simple. Start by opening Ctrader and locating a spark chart. You'll typically see these small, continuous line previews in your watch list or symbol panel. They're designed to give you a quick glance at recent price action without opening a full chart, which is great for scanning. But the key is understanding what time frame they represent. Here's the important part. Ctrader doesn't let you change the time frame directly on a spark chart. Instead, the spark chart inherits its time frame from the full chart of that same symbol. That means the spark is basically a tiny mirror of whichever time frame you last used for that instrument. If it looks too compressed or too choppy, it's almost always because the underlying chart's time frame isn't what you expect. To adjust it, click the symbol name or double-click it to open or focus the full chart for that instrument. This brings you to the main chart area where all the familiar controls are available. You don't need to create a new chart if one already exists. Simply bringing the current chart into focus works fine. Now use the time frame buttons at the top of the chart to select what you want the spark to reflect. You'll see common options like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, and 1 day. Choose the time frame that matches your trading view. For quick momentum reads, pick a lower interval like 1 or 5 minutes. For a broader trend snapshot, switch to 1 hour or daily. As soon as you change it here, the spark chart for that symbol updates accordingly. If you flip through a few time frames, you'll notice the spark's shape and smoothness change in sync. And that's the big takeaway. This is the only way to truly control the time resolution of a spark chart in Ctrader. You won't find a separate setting on the spark itself, and trying to zoom or right-click the spark won't change its period. If your watch list shows multiple symbols with sparks that look inconsistent, it likely means each symbol's last used chart time frame is different. Open each symbol's chart, pick the time frame you want, and you'll get consistent sparks across the board. That's all there is to it. Open the symbol, set the time frame on the main chart, and let the spark mirror it. Thanks for watching and happy charting.